This series of videos will show how we can use NMC Web Monitor to obtain host information of remote devices that are managed by NMC. This video includes host screenshots, storage, and process lists of remote devices. Let's start with the screenshot function. We can see a previous screenshot there and when it was captured in the upper right corner. Let's click the Start button on the right and wait for a while. After completing the remote device screenshot, we will see that the page is updated to display the latest screenshot. Then, click on the Zoom Mode button in the upper left corner. The details of the obtained screenshot can be inspected by zooming in by scrolling the mouse wheel. Next, let's click the Edit button in the lower left corner to edit the screenshot we obtained. The screenshot image can be cropped and previewed by adjusting the selection box. This function allows us to save only the portion of information we require without saving the entire image. Click the green check button to save the selected portion of the screenshot. You can choose between two image formats, PNG and JPG, based on your requirements. Then click on the Save Image button to save it. After the image is saved, the browser will automatically download it. You can also save the entire screenshot directly. Once the download is completed, we can open the two images just saved in the Download Manager. One is the partial screenshot saved in PNG format. The other is the complete JPG screenshot saved in JPG format. Next, let's see how to obtain storage information and capacity of remote devices managed by NMC. First, let's take a look at the remote device displayed on the web page, which currently only has the C drive. Let's insert a USB flash drive into the remote device to see what will happen on web page. Next, let's click the Update button on the web page and wait for some time. During the update process, we can check the progress from the status update at the left panel. Once the page update is completed, we can see a new disk named D appeared, signifying that the USB flash drive that we just inserted has been successfully recognized. In Part 3, we will demonstrate how to get the host process list of a remote device managed by NMC. First, the panel on the right side of the page has three different tab buttons: App, Background Process, and Details. We move to the App tab and click on the Enable Process Monitor button to begin monitoring the remote device's process list status. NMC will periodically report the status back to the NMC Web Monitor page. At present, we can observe that there are 65 process instances of SVC host X running, and the total memory used is 424,512 K. After the data is updated, the total memory usage drops to 421,416 K. Expanding the collapsible list, we can view the PID and memory usage of each SVC host X process. Scroll the list to view other processes. Next, let's switch to the Background Process tab. To check other processes running in the background, we can also switch to the Detail tab to view detailed information of all processes. To browse even more processes, we can click the arrow button at the bottom of the list. Lastly, click the Stop Monitor button to stop monitoring the remote device's process list. Apart from viewing memory usage in the process list, we can also view the utilization of CPU, memory, and network on remote devices via the sensor page. On this page, in addition to CPU fan speed, CPU voltage, and CPU temperature as mentioned in the previous video, we can also observe three different virtual sensors, including CPU usage, memory usage, and network data transfer amounts. Changes of the CPU usage on remote devices can be seen on this page. By clicking on a data point on the line chart, we can inspect detailed information about CPU usage at a specific time. Additionally, the memory utilization and the network data transfer amounts can also be viewed on this page. Similarly, click on any data point on the line chart to inspect the details. With NMC Web Monitor, you can conveniently obtain host screenshots, storage, process list, and utilization of CPU, memory, and network on remote devices. In the next video, we will introduce how to obtain more host information of remote devices, including SM BIOS, Windows Event Log, and device list.